I had bone issues and teeth ready to fall out. After talking with the doctor, it gave me full confidence in him, and I like the whole atmosphere here. Get it done. It's really important, and for your health as well as for your well-being, you know, and the people who are around you. The more confidence you have, the more you portray other people. Oh, they're awesome. Fully take care of you. First doctor that came out and even prayed with me before the surgery. Treated me like another person and just not another subject. More confidence, still waiting for the finishing stages, but at the same time, you can walk around, smile, don't have to worry about it. People complimenting you on it, that kind of thing. Dr. Wright took care of me. He did what he said he was going to do, even though it was a little fortunate, but he did exactly what he said he was going to do. And one of my things was I wanted to walk out with teeth, so he made that happen.